How to capitalize letters and captions in CAPCUT. So open CAPCUT. We have some video here, which you can see is not
This is the cat
with captions or with subtitles. Go to auto captions, create. Okay, it will just take perhaps a couple of seconds. We have now captions
video
here available, but we would like to capitalize those. So you need to change the font to, for example, Bebas Neue, increase font size, like that. I'll also add, for example, some kind of animation so that it looks better. So we can add this animation, and you can now see that everything is capitalized.
This is the cat, and he doesn't care about video editing at all. This is Black Cat.
So easy and quick way to capitalize letters and captions in CAPCUT.